If you've lost access to your Deezer account and cannot use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Deezer login page. Go to the Deezer website or open the Deezer app on your device. Click on the login option to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Use alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your email, check if Deezer offers alternative recovery options such as phone number verification or social media accounts linked to your Deezer account. Step 4. Contact Deezer support. If alternative recovery options are unavailable, visit the Deezer support page. Look for the contact form or live chat option to explain your situation and request assistance in recovering your account. Step 5. Provide necessary information. When contacting support, be ready to provide any information that can help verify your identity, such as your username, account details, or payment information if applicable. This will help expedite the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Deezer account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.